Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube intro on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the animated design section you can find the YouTube intro next to the Facebook reel, and here select the template and click to the use this template button. You can edit this template. If you want to add photos to your project, click to the photos button in the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search photos and you can upload images from your device. If you want to add the text, or if you want to change the text on your project, click to the text box and you can select another text, another font type and another style. For example, you can edit the size of your text. In the objects section you can find different objects and just select one and you can move and you can edit the size. In the music section you can find different music. For example, click to the summer button, and if you want to add a song, click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.